Dear students, நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது NCERT Class 10 Social Science Chapter 2 Sectors of the Indian Economy. Answer the following questions. அதில் வந்து first questions. Do you think the classification of economic activities into primary, secondary and tertiary is useful? Explain how. The classification of economic activities into primary, secondary and tertiary is useful as it helps to classify the different occupations that are taken up by the people in the country and how much each sector contributes to the growth of the country. It is also important because it helps in asserting that which sector contributes the most in GDP and which sector has the scope to employ more people and increase the national income. Second question, for each of the sectors that we came across in this chapter, why should one focus on employment and GDP? Could there be other issues which should be examined? Discuss. We focus on employment and GDP as they are used to calculate the overall productivity and national income of a country. If a country has a high employment rate, its GDP, national income and per capita income will automatically increase. Following issues can also be examined: health core facilities, education, poverty and food production nourishment. Third question, how is the tertiary sector different from others sector? Illustrate with a few examples. Tertiary activities are different from the primary and secondary sector activities as these activities do not produce a good but they are an aid or support for the production process. For example, goods that are produced in the primary or secondary sector would need to be transported by trucks or trains and then sold in wholesale and retail shops. They do not produce goods but play a very important role in selling and bringing those goods to the market. Question number 4. Distinguish between open unemployment and disguised unemployment. Open unemployment is when a person is willing to work, is educated but is unable to get a job and work. This kind of unemployment is visible. On the other hand, disguised unemployment is when a person is apparently working but is made to work less than his or her potential. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கம்மா. தேங்க்யூ. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.